Good morning, everybody. Josh here at Dynasty. We got a big job here. We got a full track package going down. It's going to be hood, bumper, headlights, fenders, mirror caps, rockers, and a portion on the back half on that bumper. After all that is done, we're going to be putting a coating on the rest of the vehicle. This one's also getting front window match and an interior detail. So we got a big job today. We're going to start this one. We're going to do our prep wash. Make sure all those edges are clean because we're going to be wrapping the edges on the hood or wherever we can with the PPF so we get a seamless look. So let's get started on the wash. Let's get this cleaned up, clay barred. Let's get some PPF installed. Stay tuned and watch the process on getting this Audi done. Stay tuned. Right now we got the car, we're doing a pre-soak. Now I'm gonna rinse that off, put some iron on, let it sit for a bit. Then we're gonna foam it again, scrub it up, then we're gonna do a clay bar treatment on the whole vehicle. That's how the car is right now. Sitting now in our pre-soak, gonna let all that soak pull off the dirt and get it off the paint. And then we're gonna get ready to do some clay bar and stuff on this, so stay tuned. Right now we're gonna be clay barring all the panels that we're gonna be clay barring the whole car. We gotta make sure we clay bar what we're gonna PPF because when we put the PPF, if there's any nibs or anything on the paint, you will notice it when the PPF is fully installed and dried out. So we're gonna be clay barring everything, make sure each of these panels are freshly, fully clean. This also comes with an engine bay cleaning. We want to make sure that the edges of where we're going to be wrapping the PPF is fully clean because when you wrap the edges, you want to make sure the adhesive is sticking to the panel. If it's not clean, you're going to have problems with lifting and that's just going to be a whole mess. So got to make sure all the edges are clean so the PPF can stick correctly. Revoking this mirror cap. I had some extra PPF laying around. So we just wrapped up the fenders and the mirror caps. Now with the track package, you're going to be getting the rocker. I'm going to be cleaning up the rockers, making sure all the edges are clean behind the door. Because when I put it on, it does get wrapped right here at the edge, so it sticks correctly. We're prepping up the rocker panels now, so we can get our PPF on the rocker panels. So stay tuned. Update video so far. We got the flares, the pillars. We got the rocker panels right down here wrapped in our PPF. I also had to do a little custom piece for this back piece right here, just because this little vent they didn't have a cutout on the system, so we built a little piece right here. We got that wrapped up. All that is left to be wrapped in our PPF is the full front bumper and the hood. Just a little update video on where we're at with this, because after all the PPF is installed, we have to coat the whole car. Stay tuned for that.